Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
CapCut text animation. Well, in today's video, first thing you need to do to change the animation in CapCut. So to change the and to make a text animation in CapCut, I'll be teaching you that. So let's start off with adding something like this one right here. Added this one right here earlier. Then once I added that, now we're gonna add in the text. Uh, So let's say our text is gonna be default one, so it can be free. We can have a free text, add the default one, then just edit it out and change its size, change its color, or change its overall thing. Let's say you're gonna change it to this one right there. Then we're gonna change its font into something. Say there you go, or maybe this one font right here. Now as you can see, it looks very nice from now. Now all we need to do is turn the color red, the inside of it to be color green. Any green, there we go, just any color of the green. Then there we go. Then apply that. Instead of flying it, we're gonna change. I'm just gonna change this guide glimpse. There you go. Let's say it's guide glimpse, something like that. There you go. If you want to add more animation to it, you can make it start up small, something like that. Then animation on it, tracking. I don't know. Um, say you want to make it like um, um, small, just do that. Then you can add some a little bit effects to it. So now, after doing that, make it small. Let's say you want it small, or you want it to be big, but depending on you. Or you want the image to like zoom in or out. If you want that, just create compound, create compound clip right here. Create compound clip. After doing that, you go click on the video. Right here, you go basic. Click on transform. Right here, move it right there. Say right there. So we stop it right there. We're just gonna zoom in that like that. So the video will start out like that. There you go. And the reason for the green screen is for that we can put a image from behind. Let's say this one right here, grow garden image. And use this one right here. So we get this one, so we're gonna put it on the background of it. There you go. So to see the grow garden image on your letters, click on that, then go to video, then remove background, then chrome key, choose the color. Now, oopsie, choose the color. This one right there, as you can see. Now we're gonna play it. As you can see, there's a grow a garden from behind it. Now, if you want it to make much more, a little bit much more cooler, you will see the grow a garden itself sign. Just gonna transform this part right here. Let's go to this part and let's try to do this. Transform it. Click on transform. Stop it right there. There, we're just gonna put it up. Then next part right here, we're just gonna put it down. That. Then here, just gonna put this up. This part right there, back like that. We're just gonna play with it. So now we're gonna play it. Watch. There you go, guys. As you can see, there you go. So yeah, it gives a little much more cooler and much more style to it than just a normal text animation text image. So yeah, there you go, guys. And if you want, you can add much more stuff like effects or something right here. You can add effects right there to make it a little bit much more um, cooler for you guys or something like that. Yeah, but yeah, that's how you do it. and we're gonna move to our phone. You can add a lot of stuff. You can add the witch, something like that, or maybe anything. But yeah, we're gonna move on to our phone. So I'll be seeing you on phone. I'll be teaching you how to make this on your phone, or wait, maybe I'm gonna teach you something else there, so you can have another thing you can try to do on your phone or maybe PC. Now, using your phone here at our phone, you can do what we did earlier on the PC version. Just copy it and just do it on your phone, or you can just do this one. What I'm gonna do, sometimes when I want a good looking text on my phone, add a text and let's say cool. So when I type cool, the word cool, once you put style on it, do this. There you go. I'll make it blue to represent that it's cool, and then effects. Into effects, if there's a free one, there you go. You can use free effects if you have premium. You can use the premium effect. You're gonna put that there. There it looks much more cool. Or maybe you can use animations, bubbles, or any of those stuff to make it look better. Now enhance the largeness. Make the largeness look now what they call this, look cooperative with the image right there. So right here, but you can do much more is you can add animations right here. You can do the typewriting text, fade in text like that, something like that. Typewriting cool. But a little bit of advice for you guys: if you're gonna make something like this, you're gonna make it like looks. When the word is cool, you're gonna make it look cool. But if the word is like sad, you're gonna make it like a little bit sad. So it's cool. So we're gonna add this shiny side. There you go, as you can see. Then apply it. Then yeah, that's about much of it. Or you can do what I did in the PC version, but here when I'm using the phone, I usually add those styles to make it much more easier to do and much more fast and efficient for me. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we're happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.